for All. It's a research and it was integrated with Pakistan Studies of Class 10 chapter Education for All. All the students of Class 10 are the team members who are participating in this research. Well, the prime objective of our research was to inquire about the learning resources available in schools, and we wanted to find out that how effective it can take place if we are given all the resources. Those schools don't have any resources that we have in our school gardens. They don't have even computer labs, library, laboratory, they don't have even apparatus to do their practicals. They arrange their labs only on Saturdays due to their space. We have got some of the suggestion boxes near staff room, near library, and near reception. So please kindly put your valuable suggestions on that board so you can change the lives of those students who are motivated, who are eager to learn.
I want to share one suggestion. One of our schoolmates has written that on Saturdays we can go there and help some sort of things, and if we can donate some things to those students and we can teach them English or anything on Saturdays at our off days. So I think it's a very good suggestion that one of our schoolmates has given.
I also want to share that we can make booklets on the subject chapters and give them to study. So I think this is also a good point.
One more suggestion is that we can donate our books and other stationery to those students when we promote to the next class.
Okay, so finally suggestions are being taken. Have you opened the boxes?
Yes.
Have you seen the suggestions from the student side?
Yes.
So on that day I stopped you from giving suggestions and I asked you to jot it down somewhere. Now you have other suggestions as well along with you. I don't want you to go with hundreds of suggestions with no implication. I want few but with implications, with implementation. So shall we?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, Noreen, please help me to prepare that action plan which can really make the difference. So I want 3 columns. The first column would state the task. The second column would definitely state the responsibility, and the third task would state the timeline. When are we going to really accomplish the job? Shall we? Okay. Who would like to contribute first? Okay, fine. Let's begin with you.
We have a suggestion that particularly in a free time, prison or physical training period, we could go to those children to have some resources to them.
Okay, you want to bring some resources of our schools to those students.
Yes.
Which class you would like to cater?
ECD.
Okay, you are interested in ECD.
Yes.
And what exactly you are going to do there?
I'm good in model making, and I will decide Faizan also to have with me to have a contribution in that, because two people can have a great impact in 30 or 20 children.
Alright, we would be providing you the resources. You don't worry. In our school plan, in our school budget, there is enough allocation for this. We will provide you transportation facility, even you don't worry about it. The resources are there in our own very campus. You can take those resources along with you. You take Faizan, and anyone would like to join hands? Alright, that's very good. But you have to spend 1 day in a month. I won't advise you to go for like more, because I understand that you are having one period can be allocated for this purpose. So, can you please raise your hands again so that Noreen can please write it down. Okay, Fahim, I would advise you, as I said, to go for 4 weeks or for like say 4 days. I would be advising you to go for, let's say, 1 day a month.
Yes.
2 students would be going 1 day a month. Okay. Similarly, we have got around how many students we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We can have 2 people 1 day. So that would make 4 turns. That means those students would be getting 4 days of the month, and you people would be getting 1 turn a month. And we would really should have a plan so that when you stop, they would start. Where they would stop, they would start. So now this is the time. Okay, now on this Saturday only, you sit together, brainstorm the ideas, prepare a plan. How would you teach them model making? We have other art teachers present in our own very campus. You consult them how that model making classes can be conducted. And I think they would be glad, because they are present on Saturdays. You are also coming on Saturdays for your other training programs.
Yes.
So why don't we join hands with those teachers? They would make you understand as how to teach, and then that could be very well taken to that campus. I think it's an excellent. Let's clap for Fahim and his team. Okay. Another suggestion. Yes, please, Anna.
Yes, we all and our teachers will visit the schools in June and July, because we got vacations in June and July. And when we go there and let them know how to prepare teaching aids with low cost or no cost, with low cost.
Okay, Anna, why are you focusing teaching aids?
That's because in Pakistan we don't have teaching we don't have teaching at good that much level, so we need some resources to be there. So that's why I'm trying.
You want the support of other teachers as well. I can even ask a few of the teachers there, because they are very expert. They have already in our ECD section. Let me tell you that they are preparing those teaching aids with the help of those cartons. You know, those cartons are there, and they are using it for teaching aids purpose. Similarly, one of our teachers, Ms. Shagufta, I have seen her preparing teaching aids with the help of calendars. Okay, so we can definitely use it, and I would arrange classes for you. Okay, with those teachers, they would ask you and they would let you know how to prepare them, and we would provide with all the resources, because we are again in our own very campus. We discard those material, even we can use it for doing this. And when you want this, what is your timeline?
Miss, we will go in June and July, because we got vacations in that.
Okay, so you want June and July to be utilized. Okay, and who would like to join hands with Anna? And you don't worry about the resources again, because those resources again, those cartons, those low cost material are available with us. We can utilize it. There is a shortage of those resources, and those ECDs should be properly decorated so that students get motivated and they get fun-loving environment. Very great idea. Very nice. Clap for Anna and the team. Now, what is the third idea? Yes, please, Sarosh.
Yes, I found that we can have more teacher training programs for the teachers of middle class and lower class. By these program the teachers which teaches in the schools, they understand how to teach in the school.
Okay, that's what our conclusion was. That teaching is a very great job,
Yes.
and it needs a training. It's not only about knowledge, but it's about delivery. You are very right. I agree to it. So definitely, Sarosh, what is your plan?
Miss, as we are having teacher training programs, particularly in June and July in our own campus, so we can invite that teachers to join this teacher training program.
Which are running in our